Yep, we'll keep an eye on those 3 games here off the mic segment to end the day on a Friday before me and Teddy get out of here. The Alliance of American Football, which before the show, which people don't get to see out there, Teddy's making some moves here in this league, but also trying to make some moves on the field to try to increase its, wherewithal on TV. Reaching out to Kaepernick, reaching out to Tebow. No surprise that both turned them down, but the surprising tag is, hey, my name's Colin Kaepernick. You're going to have to pay me $20 million or more to play in this upstart football league when Tim Tebow's down, in Port St. Lucie, messing around with the Mets, seeing what he could do at this point. I just thought it was interesting here. Whether or not either one of these guys play, it's always good to get headlines in a new league. They're doing it themselves. Week 2 this weekend, Teddy, of the AAF.
Yeah, I made my first AAF bet for this weekend's games. And certainly when you talk about the superstars, and this league could use a superstar or 2 or 3. Tebow's there. Tebow's at that level, even though he was never a productive NFL player, with the exception of one playoff game at home against the Steelers. We saw the real Tim Tebow the following week in New England. You remember that game? I do. And then, of course, Kaepernick was a legit star. He took his team to the Super Bowl. He was an elite quarterback, and then he got blackballed, and, haven't seen him since. I don't blame him for asking for $20 million and then not playing at all. I think that's the right move for for him with this upstart league. Kaepernick's good enough to play in the other league. The teams just don't want him. And his broader picture, his bigger picture is now about social justice and about the NFL, social justice in the NFL. So I don't really blame him for not taking a subpar deal to play for a minor league. As for Tebow, he's got better stuff to do as well. So it's not a league for stars yet. Might be that way in a year or two, but I'm not surprised that both guys turned down the opportunity to play on Saturdays in February and March and April, as opposed to playing on Sundays in the fall.